Stoic reflections on nature, finding tranquility. In a world filled with chaos and noise, the Stoics remind us to find tranquility amidst the beauty of nature. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of the natural world. Allow the tranquility of nature to soothe your mind and nourish your soul. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Marcus Aurelius teaches us that by harmonizing with the rhythms of nature, we find harmony within ourselves. Embrace the wisdom of the Stoics and discover the tranquility that lies within nature's embrace. Don't forget to subscribe. Visit my channel for more videos.